Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, as majority of you, my viewers, are not yet a subscriber, you probably must have found this video through the search button. So this is one of the reasons why I want you to subscribe so you can get an update from me. So now let's get back to this our analysis. Yesterday we did analysis on USDJPY. No, prior to that, right? Prior to this 28, we talked about having this, pullback on USD JPY. I told you guys how we'll be having this bullish move. Basically, we've gotten that bullish move, right? And I also told you that we will be having a drop to levels. It's either we have this drop at a level of 133 or price will go up and hit a level of 134 before we get that drop, right? I told you guys yesterday that you should watch out that USDJPY can give us a drop at basically two level. It's either we get that drop at a level of 133 or we see that bullish move, it will get to a level of 134 before we get that drop. So basically we can see that this price is currently at 134. So what we will be expecting is now a drop. So guys, watch out for a drop. For the 29, USDJPY should give us that bearish move. As you can see, the price has tapped our 10 period moving average. So we should kind of find like some rejection from that level and drop. Now, one of the reasons why we make such move is that when you go to this your USDJPY, right? Before you place that trade, before you want to go ahead and take your buy or your sell, you would want to ask yourself a few questions. And one of those questions is, what is the trend for this movement that I am trading? What is the trend? So we clearly can see that this is a downtrend movement. You can see a lower lows and a lower highs, right? That is one. Secondly, you can see this price is trading below the 10 period moving average. You all know that once your price is trading below your 10 period moving average, then definitely that is a sell movement. So this is one of the reasons why USDJPY is still on a sell movement. But if you take a look at this movement here, let's start it from here, which is a drop, and here happens to be a pullback, right? Then we take here to be a drop again, and we see this to be a pullback, then a new drop. If you notice that this new drop that you are making is breaking this previous lows, you can see this lows here that broke this previous lows. A new lows has been made here that broke this previous lows here. Now a pullback has been made. So what do you expect on USDJPY? Definitely we will be expecting another drop. So 29, which is on Thursday, which is the next day, we all should watch out for USDJPY, a bearish move. You should watch out for a drop. But listen to this carefully. But before you go ahead and sell, you must get multiple break of structure downward, especially on the 30 minutes time frame or on the 1 hour time frame. So what can you see on this 30 minutes time frame? What can you see? This is still an uptrend move. You can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So do not go ahead and sell because price is still giving us an uptrend move, and you can also see it's still trading above our 10 period moving average. But if eventually price starts giving us lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, maybe you see like you can spot 3 to 4 multiple break of structure downward, be it on your 30 minutes time frame or on your 1 hour, let's say on a 1 hour time frame, then you can go ahead and sell. If eventually price drops and breaks below your 10 period moving average, then you can go ahead and sell. If not, you just want to stay out of this trade, let this price continue to rise up. But I personally believe price will drop. So watch out for a bearish move on USD JPY.